Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we will learn about NOT gate, its logic diagram, truth table and Boolean expressions. So first thing is, what is NOT gate? So NOT gate is a basic logic gate. As we have explained earlier in the previous video tutorial that we have three kind of logic gate. One is basic, then we have universal, and then we have exclusive logic gate. So NOT gate is a part of basic logic gate, and when we apply NOT gate, it performs the complement operation. Complement operation means if you pass 0 as input to the NOT gate, then it will complement it to 1. That means 0 will turn out to be 1 as the output. So this is what basically NOT gate does, or you can say it is a kind of inverter which inverts the value that you pass it as input, and if you enter 1 as input, then it will produce 0 as the output, right? And if you want to indicate that operation has been performed on the input, then see there should be a bar on the top of it, or you can use this kind of dash, a dash, as shown over here. So both implies the NOT operation. You can use any one of them. In different books you might see this one or this one, so don't get confused. Both indicates NOT operation only. So this is NOT gate block diagram. NOT gate has only one input. As you can see here, you can underline this one, that NOT operator has only one input, and that is why we have only one block diagram for NOT gate, and that is this one, where we will pass a input. Suppose we have named it A, then the operation would be performed on it, and the operation is complement operation, and once complement operation is performed, the output that comes out is the complement of it, and thus we get a bar. That means if you pass a value as 0, it will be 1 as the output, and if you pass 1 as the input, then it will be 0 as the output. So let's go to see the truth table for NOT gate. So as you know that we have only one input for the NOT operation, so going by the formula that we have told earlier in previous video tutorial, the formula to determine the number of rows the truth table for any gate is 2 to the power n, and n indicates the number of input. So as NOT gate has only one input, so we will have 2 to the power 1, which gives us value as 2, and that is why we have just 2 rows in the truth table for NOT gate. And if we have only 2 rows, then definitely one combination is 0 as shown over here, and another one is 1. So these are the two possible input combinations that we can pass in the NOT gate. That is, either we can pass 0 or we can pass 1, and the result is very simple. As we have already explained you that a complement is the output. You can write any one, so the output will be the complement of the number that you see over here. So if you have passed 0, then its output would be 1, and if you have passed 1, then its output is going to be 0. So this is the truth table for NOT gate. So it is very simple, right? Its block diagram is also very simple, and the truth table is also very simple, and this is all about NOT gate. So hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.